Here are 4 things you can do in your senior year to help you get into college. First, engagement. Participate in college visits. Different colleges offer the opportunity to do tours, interviews, information sessions, and open houses. Here at Bucknell, we offer a program called Day in the Life, where you can sit in on 2 actual classes. Next, academics. You want to maintain a rigorous academic course load and keep up your grades in your senior year. Don't let senior slump happen to you. Your 4-year high school transcript is going to be one of the most important pieces of your application. Next, involvement. Hone in on your skills and your interests, the things that you are passionate about. Colleges and universities want to know that when you come to campus, not only will you be a great student inside the classroom, but that you will be an active citizen outside the classroom as well. Finally, deadlines. Make sure that you pay very close attention to the different deadlines that are offered by colleges and universities and stick to them. So there you have it, 4 things that you can do in your senior year to improve your chances of getting in. So if you like this video, please be sure to subscribe and give us your feedback in the comments below.